Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker assembly in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a square bead number 2 screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a pair of side cutters. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker assembly. The ice maker assembly is located in the upper left corner of the fresh food section. It produces ice cubes, dropping them into the ice bin. If the ice maker stops making ice, check it and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the left side French door. Now we need to pull out the ice container. Next, I'm going to remove this front cover. We need to take a couple of screws out. One is right here, one is at the bottom. So I'm using that number 2 square bead screwdriver, and I'm going to take those screws out. All right, now I'm going to remove the cover and pull out the bottom and slide it down. Next, we're going to take out the single 1/4-inch screw here. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to drop down the housing. Next, I'm going to disconnect these 2 plugs. I'm going to press down on the locking tab here. Pull it apart, and the second one we got right here. And now we can slide the ice maker. Just grab it underneath here and slide it forward. So when we drop down the ice maker, we'll have 2 zip ties that hold that harness. One in the middle right there and one at the back over there. So use the side cutters to clip them off. We're going to lift up the harness and slide out the ice maker. This is the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we've got here a new ice maker, and it's just a little bit different from the old one. The harness will not be clipped on the top with the zip ties. It will be installed on this shelf here and pulled through. And then we're going to lock the ice maker on the top. Slide it. And it's locked. Next, I'm going to connect the plugs. All right, make sure they're locked. Now I'm going to install this housing, the cover, slide it in, and we have this 2 pins that locks on the top of the ice maker. Place the harness inside the box, push it back, and we're going to secure it with this one 1/4-inch screw. I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. Alright, so now I'm going to install this front cover. We have this tab at the back right there, and it's going to lock over this tab. So what we do is bring it here like that and slide it up. And we're going to secure this front cover with 2 screws. I'm using that number 2 square bead screwdriver. And now again, sliding in the ice container. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.